If you want to cash out crypto tax-free, then this video is for you. I'm Miquel Gironès, and I've helped multiple wealthy individuals cash out off-ramp crypto without paying a single cent to the government, exactly how we like it. With big predictions in crypto on the horizon, well, you want to plan ahead and learn how to cash out in fiat currency, dollars, dirhams, your local currency, without paying capital gains. Many countries around the world do not tax crypto or have crypto capital gains. Places like Dubai, Mauritius, the Cayman Islands, the Bahamas, also in Latin America, Paraguay. These are some of the countries that you can cash out crypto tax-free, but as you may know from this channel, I specialize in Dubai and Paraguay in Latin America. This video is specifically about Dubai, how to cash out in Dubai the crypto, 0% taxes. If you want the Paraguay one, it's going to be linked here at the end of this video. In less than 30 days, you can have your residency here, you can have your Emirates ID, and you can also have your bank account ready to cash out your first crypto into dollars or dirhams. But let me tell you, before you cash out, two more things need to happen. If you don't complete these two critical steps, well, all this plan that we are talking about might not work for you. The first critical milestone is that your country of origin does not tax you. So yes, it's important to set you up properly here in the UAE, but you need to make sure that you are no longer a tax resident wherever you are from. Let's say the UK, Australia, Canada, even Spain, Europe. Otherwise, you could be charged of tax evasion or fraud, which is something we want to avoid. And to do this, it's not enough to just buy a plane ticket, Habibi, come to Dubai, become a resident, and voila. You need to properly exit the tax system in your country and then combine it with the proper setup in your new tax residency, which can be this city of the future. Also, for my American friends, there are other rules that apply to you since you have the US passport, and this passport taxes you on your citizenship, which means that you're going to pay taxes worldwide. You need other loopholes. You might need to go to Puerto Rico first or renounce your US citizenship, for example, and get another passport, let's say the Caribbean passport. St. Kitts, St. Lucia, or these Caribbean countries that grant you 0% tax benefits, that combines perfectly with this crypto cash out off-ramp that we are talking in this video. To focus on these details, we're going to do another separate video, but this is a summary of the steps you need to do if you are a US citizen. Finally, to be considered a non-tax resident in your country of origin, usually we recommend to spend 3 to 6 months out of your country. And to fully be out of the tax system, after 3 to 5 years, then yes, you can cash out $50 million, $100 million like some of our clients. You will not be bothered by your government. This is why it's important to start as soon as possible, because then you're going to have this time frame to protect you against some claims that your country of origin might pose on you. So the easiest way and the most common among our clients to get set up here in Dubai as a resident is via creating your own company. Then this company makes you a manager of it, and this is the way you get this 2-year permit, 2-year residence, which after you spend 90 days in the country per year, not just you become a resident, but a tax resident in Dubai. Combine these two things, and then it's when you have the right setup at the personal level to cash out crypto. With this 2-year residency comes the Emirates ID. With this Emirates ID, you can open a bank account where you can then cash out your cryptocurrency. From wealthy expats, the best recommendations are Emirates MBD, Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, or Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. Another popular option among my wealthiest clients is Kraken combined with Mercury. Mercury is a corporate bank account you can open when you have a US LLC. This is for another topic, but this is another way to cash out your crypto hassle-free. The transfer usually takes 2 to 3 days to go from the exchange to your account, and to make it as smooth as possible for you, I would recommend doing transfer for less than $100,000. You can start with $10,000, you can then go $20,000. This way, you build this relationship with your bank that's, oh, why this person just opened a bank account and now is transferring $500,000 into it coming from an exchange in another jurisdiction? Does not make sense to many banks and can get you into trouble. Frozen accounts. So this is actually critical milestone number 2. It's to warm up this relationship with the bank. Another pro tip that I recommend is having other type of transfers coming in and out of this bank account. So they don't only see one type of transfer, which is always exchange to account, exchange to account, exchange to account. You can send the money to other USD accounts from other LLCs you own. You can pay employees, you can hire services. So it's, let's say, a more standard use of the account that then gets mixed with these crypto off-ramps that you're doing on the other side. And the critical milestone number 3, here's a bonus. What if you want to bring the money back to your country of origin? Let's say you cash out $50 million and you want to bring them back to London. You want to bring them back to Spain, to Canada. Well, what you need to do is let time pass. Also, if you just renounced your US citizenship and you got a Caribbean passport, that's too much of a change in a short amount of time. This can lead you into troubles, they can charge you for tax evasion, and seriously get you into legal problems. So again, you want to do this type of warm-up, go back into your country, for example, with assets. That could be a great way. You buy a watch here in Dubai, and then you bring back $10 million worth of watches back to London. That could be an option, but honestly, to stay on the safe side, even though you can do all these loopholes, is like, okay, go first with $10,000, then $100,000, then $1 million back to your country of origin. This way, you ensure that time goes by, and after 3 years, 5 years, after 5 years, to be honest with you, you shouldn't have any problem. 10 years, like bring as much money as you want. Bring your fortune to everyone in the world because they are not gonna bother you. Also, another really good solution is to keep the money in dirhams, in AED here in Dubai, so you don't need to think about flying back to London, to Europe. You can just keep the money here and spend it here. This is gonna raise fewer red flags, and then you can, for example, buy assets, buy an apartment. So combine all of these strategies so you don't cash out to one single place, because then there's one single point of failure as well. But let's say you want cash instead of a bank transfer. Well, there are options here in Dubai as well. You have services popular in the past like CoinSphere. Now there's PalaPay when I search on Google. To be honest, I don't want to name any in particular because the one that I just told you might not be a great option, a recommended option in the future. So your best bet is to just Google before you want to cash out the crypto. Go to the place. Usually this place is charged 2.8% in fees. If you find it legit, if it's trustworthy, then boom, then you can off-ramp in cash. If that's too steep for you and you want a lower rate, you can also find peer-to-peer crypto to cash here in Dubai. So join crypto groups and they're gonna point you in the right direction. Also, you might be surprised that some people here in Dubai have made large purchases like $1.2 million in a luxury car in crypto, bought millions of dollars, multi-million dollars in luxury high-end apartments as well. Crypto, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So just to tell you that it's quite a unique landscape in here, and you might also consider talking to the real estate broker or the car dealership if they accept cryptocurrency, because you would just, all in all, avoid all this hassle. So in summary, gentlemen, 6 steps. 1, plan ahead of time. Time is your best ally in this move. Prepare to become a non-tax resident in your country of origin. Set yourself properly in your new tax country, your new tax residency, for example, Dubai. Get your banking sorted out in the right banks that are crypto friendly. Decide how much you keep in US dollars, in your local currency, in dirhams, or how much you keep in crypto, because you're later on gonna buy some assets with, for example, Bitcoin. And number 6, when you know what's the right amount you for sure want to off-ramp, you want to cash out, then follow the steps in this video and remember, build rapport with your bank, so do it gradually. In case you want professional green light before doing maybe multi-million-dollar move like this one, you know you can count on us, experts, that we're gonna make sure that all the pieces of this puzzle are working together well before you execute, and then you avoid any future headaches. You know, you can click the link down below to book a consultation with us. We'll be happy to help you. And if you are interested in the action steps on how to cash out crypto in other places like Paraguay, or with other strategies like I mentioned, the US LLC, so it's another jurisdiction, so you divide the risk and you can divide the crypto you off-ramp in one place and in the other, so higher the chances of your success to complete this move. Well, you can check out these videos over here. I am Miquel Gironès from Dubai. Extraordinary. Adeu. and check out this video over here.